What's up, T-Shirt family? It's your boy, Mr. T-Shirt, and I woke up to a good question from one of my subscribers asking, how do you adjust the blade on your vinyl cutter? It's quite simple, so let's just jump in. Now, when you receive your cutter or plotter, they usually come with a case of 3 blades, maybe some extras. These blades come in 3 different sizes. First, you have your 30, for like if you were cutting maybe window tint or something that the blade would drag. This blade is also good for small detailed designs. Then you have your 60, which is for thicker vinyls, such as your glitters, your flock, and other thicker materials. Finally, your 45 blade, which is your standard blade, which can cut through most standard vinyls and cut out your everyday designs. Now, the first thing you want to do is insert the blade, into the holder. Then you need to just adjust the blade. So you're going to loosen this gold ring that's on here, lefty-loosey, just a little bit till you're able to turn. As you see, the needle blade, the blade, not the needle. It's turning. Left will bring it in, right brings it back out. Now, in order to measure, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it here, but you want your blade to be half the thickness of your cutting cord. Okay, can't really see where it is there. Take a look. So right now my blade is covering the whole thickness of a credit card, which is too much. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to retract it a little bit, about half a turn. Then I'm going to check it again. Still a little too much. I'm going to pull it back just a little. Still a little too much. Another half turn. And that should be fine right there. Okay. If you can see, the blade is barely sticking out of the holder. But you want it to be half the thickness, again, of a credit card. Okay? Once you've adjusted it, again, you want to take the gold ring, turn it to the right, make sure it's locked tight. That way you can't move, the adjuster doesn't move around once it's put into the cutter, into the carrier. Okay, after that, you just want to perform a test cut and then adjust accordingly. And as always, if you learned anything from this video, click that notification button to know whenever I post videos just like this and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, I'm Mr. T-Shirt signing off. Peace.